Alright, so I just got this Roku replacement remote because my mom thought her Roku was broke, but it was actually just the remote. So I got this and I'm going to show you how to pair it with the Roku. So here we go. Everything's unplugged right now, so we're going to plug the Roku in and wait till it comes alive and goes to the home screen. While it's setting up, we're waiting for the home screen, so we're going to get it ready to go. There it is. We're going to pull the batteries out. So next move, put the batteries in the remote once it's on the home screen. That's what we're going to do. Green light's flashing. Now we're going to press and hold this button on the back for 5 seconds. And you see it says pairing remote. We're going to let it go, and in about 30 seconds, it should pair the remote. Let's see what happened. There it is, just like that. Next move, we're going to go into the settings. Okay, we're going to go to remotes and devices. Set up a new device. We're going to hit it. Continue. We're going to press and hold the pairing button. It's pairing. You're done. See what happens. Look at that. Shut the TV off. So, just like that, we're able to pair this remote to a Roku Ultra and to this TV because my mom threw the remote control away. And let's see, volume. Yep, there's the volume up and down, so we're good to go. And that's it. Roku replacement remote. Done deal.